Hello and welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IIT to pursue their master degree courses. Okay. In a biotechnology paper, there are different type of questions based on physics, chemistry, math, and also biology, and we cover all these topics. This is the question from section 3 and the question number is 59. In section 3, the questions are based on numerical answer type. That means we need to find a numerical value as an answer. So this is a question based on vectors. Here we are given two vectors A and B. The A vector is 4i hat minus 2j hat plus 6k hat, and the B vector is 7i hat plus j hat minus 12k hat. If A cross B is equals to alpha I hat plus beta j hat plus gamma k hat, then we need to find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So let's get into the solution. Given that A vector is equals to 4i hat minus 2j hat plus 6k hat, V vector is equals to 7i hat plus j hat minus 12k hat, and A cross B is equals to alpha I hat plus beta j hat plus gamma k hat. Now let's say this is the equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. So from the first two equations we get, from equations 1 and 2, we can say that A cross B is equals to I hat, j hat, k hat. The coefficients of A are 4, minus 2, and 6, and for B it is a 7. For B they are 7, 1, and minus 12. So after the cross multiplication we get I hat multiplied by 24 minus 6 minus j hat multiplied by minus 48 minus 42 plus k hat multiplied by 4 plus 14. So this results in 18 I hat plus 90 j hat plus 18 k hat. Now compare it with equation 3. Comparing with equation 3, we get alpha is equals to 18, beta is equals to 60, beta is equals to 90, and gamma is equals to 18. So the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 18 plus 90 plus 18, that means 90 plus 36, which results in 126. So our required answer is 126. So we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.